The Maurya Empire. The Maurya Empire was one of the most largest and most powerful empire in the ancient Indian history, and it's originated in the region that is now Bihar. Founded in 321 BCE by the Chandragupta Maurya, the empire marked the beginning of the new era of political unity and administrative efficiency in India. Its capital was Patliputra, which is modern day of Patna, which became a major political and cultural center. Chandragupta Maurya established the empire with the guidance of his advisor Chanakya, also known as Kautilya. Chanakya worked the Arthashastra, laid down detailed principles of governance, economics, and military strategy. Under the Chandragupta's rule, the empire expanded rapidly, covering large part of the northern and central India. The Maurya Empire reached its peak during the reign of Asoka. Chandragupta's grandson Asoka is one of the most famous rulers in Indian history. After the brutal Kalinga War was experienced a deep transformations and embraced Buddhism. He adopted the policy of non-violence and worked to promote peace, welfare, and moral value across his empire. Asoka's contributions were not limited to the India. He sent missionaries to various parts of the Asia, including the Sri Lanka, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, spreading the teaching of Buddhism. His edict inscribed on pillars and rock across the empire provide valuable insights into his political and ideal. These inscriptions emphasizes justice, compassion, religious tolerance, and good governance. The administration of the Maurya Empire was highly organized. The empire was divided into a province, each government by official appointed by the king. There was a well-developed and system of taxation, law enforcement, and infrastructure. Road irrigation system and trade routes were carefully maintained, facilitating economic growth and communication. Economically, the Maurya Empire was prosperous. Agriculture are the main occupation, but the trade and commerce is also flourished. The empire had trade links with the religion outside India, including the Mediterranean world. Craft, textile, and metalwork were highly developed industries during their period. Despite its achievement, the Maurya Empire began to decline after the Asoka's death. Weak succession and international conflict led to its eventual fall around 185 BCE. However, its legacy continued to influence Indian history for centuries. The Maurya Empire was a landmark in the Indians' history. It brought political unity, advanced administration, and a cultural development. Its most notable ruler, Asoka, left a lasting legacy of peace and moral governance, making it the empire one of the most significant chapters in the history of the Bihar and India.